This week on MCrider, we're going to do exactly the opposite of what I normally do on this channel. Normally, I tell you what you should do on a motorcycle. This week, we're going to look at some examples of what you should not do. Now, I've grouped these videos by several different categories. We'll look at distraction, speed, lack of training, loading a motorcycle in the back of a pickup, control, no road strategy, and maintenance. This first one proves you don't have to be on a motorcycle for distracted riding to get you. Group rides like this are a haven for distracted riding.
That was bound to happen. You keep your space, you don't let your testosterone get in the way, and you get out the way as soon as something goes wrong.
This is a perfect example of what was probably a very expensive wheelie. Here's another example of why you shouldn't treat the public roads as your personal racetrack. Here's a perfect example of a rider way overriding his ability on the road.
Holy shit. You all right, bro?
Yeah, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, fuck. Oh.
This rider was very fortunate. Hey, if you haven't done so at the end of this video, head over to mcrider.com/books, get my field guide and my road strategy book so you can stay out of situations just like this. So a few things on this one. The rider's chin strap is unbuckled, his head is down, and turn, turn, turn is not appropriate new rider instruction.
And turn. Turn, turn, turn!
Probably the most sound rider advice of all comes at the very end of this video.
No, don't get back on that again!
With a quality loading ramp like this, what could possibly go wrong? Not only does he bottom it out at the top of the ramp, his side stand is down as he's going up the ramp. If he was doing this by himself, I wonder how he got his motorcycle back. Raise your hand if you've heard me say in the past that intersections are dangerous.
Oh,
Here's a perfect example to look in your mirror and know what's happening behind you anytime you slow down.
Bro, I have my blinkers on. I had my blinkers on. I can't do a tight turn. If I was in the middle, what makes you think you could go past me? What makes you think you could go past me? I'm put my blinker. Mama, don't worry about it. I put my blinkers on. I can't make a tight turn. I gotta go wide.
Yeah, but you can't.
No, there's no yeah. You can't go past me like that. No, you weren't. You sped through.
I'm not sure if this was a maintenance issue or what happened, but it does show why motorcycle maintenance is important.
what happened? Hold on. What's going on? My bike just stopped on the highway. My bike is locked up. Yeah, my bike is locked up on the highway. Yo, my bike is locked up on the highway. I don't know what to do. One second.
I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Leave a comment below and share if you've ever been in any of these situations yourself. I know I've made a few mistakes on the road myself, but the goal is to not beat ourselves up over our mistakes. Our goal is to learn from the mistakes and reduce the number of mistakes in the future, and hopefully learn from a few of these mistakes that these other riders made. Till next week, guys, it's Kevin with MCrider, and I'll see you on the road. If you enjoyed this video, please consider becoming a member of MCrider. You get access to the forums and the field guide and a whole lot more. All the details can be found at mcrider.com/member.